Cooperative Summit, sir. We are hosting this for the first time in association with the government of Gujarat. Sir, we would like to know how are you feeling after coming to this summit today?
Yeah, I think it's very excellent, and the kind of gathering here, I've been seeing that, a lot of chairmen, more than 100 chairmen, I could see that, and it's a good platform to interact with the customer, and specifically, we could get opportunity to meet to Mr. Amin, who is the chairman of Gujarat Federation, and Mr. Dollar Bhai Patel, who is the vice chairman for the Urban Cooperative Bank of Gujarat, and we could understand that, how is this cooperative sector is going here, and the challenges here, and probably it will help us to derive our strategy to focus this cooperation bank in terms of the IT security and the cyber security.
So today we have the theme for this conference as confidence restored on cooperatives. What do you or how do you perceive this very statement wherein cooperatives are acting as a stem cells to our economy?
Yeah. So, cooperative movement has been there with us more than 100 years, and we could see that this is the very fundamental to our and there is a great contribution of the cooperative sector in for the Indian economy, and though we have seen a lot of opportunities coming in from the other banking, but still cooperative bank who's focused on the rural development and for the cooperative sector. So this is the great help to the in the new initiatives of the financial inclusion of the government of India.
Sir, any specific message that you would like to convey for Relates Techno Media?
Yeah, so through this the summit today, I could understand that there are certain challenges which the cooperative sector is going through, and this sector has to adopt the new technology which has been the other multinational banking and the BFSI segment has been adopting to match the quality of the services and the marketing and the customer services, and through this networking and this kind of summit, it will help us to give us the right technology what can improve overall for the making the better customer experience from this cooperative bank, and that's the key, I believe.
Thank you. So we had with us Mr. Jyotish Verulkar, who is the country manager of SecRite.